I started Penmanship in 1970 when I was a teacher librarian in Brisbane, and I discovered a book called The Skills of Handwriting by Alfred Fairbank, and it was around the subject of Renaissance handwriting. I suddenly realised I could teach myself this handwriting. I've always loved handwriting. So it was from that moment on that I started sleeping with that book. It was always under my pillow. I kept it in my handbag. I stayed with that book for a couple of years, and I wrote to the author, and eventually I was invited to go to England to meet him. And then I joined the Society for Italic Handwriting. I stepped on a path from which I would never step off for the rest of my life, and I'm now 74. So my love of this subject has continued.